This is question 10, have a go. So, for part A, I think the best thing to do is just to multiply out the right hand side and sort of line it up with the left hand side and just sort of compare bits and bobs. So, x plus b squared is x plus b times x plus b. So when we multiply that out we get this. That needs to be times by a, so each term multiplied by a, giving this. And then I've gathered up the bits, so we've got a lots of x squared, 2ab lots of x, and our constant at the end is the ab squared plus c. So comparing this, what we've just got, with our left hand side, we've got 4 is the number in front of x squared, so a must be 4. Then moving on to our second term, well, we know 2ab is the number in front of x, which is 8, so 2ab is 8, and we've just worked out that a was 4, so that's really 8 lots of b are 8, so b is 1. And then finally, moving on to our third term, we know our constant at the end, ab squared plus c equals 3. ab squared plus c equals 3, but we've just worked out what a and b is. So a here, b here, so we've got 4 plus c is 3, so c must be minus 1. So that's part A. Now in part B we really need to pick up that we've got, it's best to go back and use our right hand side. Okay, so looking at our right hand side, we've been asked to show clearly where it crosses the curve, so the axis, excuse me. So right, when x is 0, substituting x being 0 into this, well actually for this one let's just look at the left hand side. When x is 0, 0, 0, when 3, y is 3. Now what about when y equals 0? So y equals 0, I've looked at the right hand side here, so we're saying this equals 0. Take the 1 across, divide by 4, square root, giving us the two solutions. Square root of a quarter is plus or minus a half. Take away 1 from both sides, that gives us these two solutions. So we've basically got it cutting the axis at minus a half and minus 3 over 2, and again at 3. So there are our three places where it cuts the axes. It's a smiley face, so that is our sketched curve.